welcome back to Recipes Mania. I lost a bet, so today we're doing a recipe called Ice Cream Banana Blast. We'll be right back as we set up the ingredients. Okay, you see all that milk, Robert?
Yep.
That goes in first.
Next.
Now there's 3 little things of ice cream, correct?
Okay. Okay, next.
Next, the 2 bananas. And 2 tablespoons of peanut butter.
Okay. First. And second. Done.
And that's the end of the ingredients. Now Robert's gonna take it over there and blend it up, and then we'll have a good treat. Oh my God, so good. Okay, bye guys.